Right, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Return visit, about a year on for me. So it's an old pub, South Wales, that's all I'm going to say. It's a lot more trash than last time. It's very dark, so hopefully you're going to be able to see on the GoPro with the torches. Let's take you on a little wander through. That, more like a shipwreck to be fair. Maybe the water's ploughing inside here. So last time, to be fair, all of that was pretty much intact, so it's definitely gone downhill, I'm going to say. The old bar still there. It's just basically where they store everything down here, guys. We're going to have a little look. Just all the fridges, chest freezers, etc. Someone's little pride and joy at some point. What we'll do, we'll literally skip it on through and we'll get through to the bar area. So the place has just been trashed. Even more so than last time. Considerably, to be fair. Second bar. So it's got a lovely country pub sort of feel about it. Even some numpties have broke up the cash machine. Really? I think someone's going to leave money behind in there. Dumb. More storage. Another little bar area. Little chairs piled up. Let's pass the girls, I reckon. Let's go on upstairs. Actually, toilets first. What a weird place for that. Yeah, we leave the ladies.
Ladies, please.
What can I say? Lovely asbestos feeling as you walk through. So, somebody tried to set fire to the floor. Shadows. As you can probably hear by the outside, you can hear the sheep, etc. We are on the countryside. Floors are gone. It's basically just a shell, guys, to be fair. There's not a whole lot left. So private quarters, maybe little flat area where they actually would have lived. Smell up in here, guys, jeez. So no floors. Makeshift floors. Down to a whole lot. Holes everywhere. Silverware still hanging about. Took kitchen cupboards. Stairs back down. looks like people have been chilling out up here. So yeah, that's basically the old pub, guys. You know, not a whole lot left. It's a shell. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Just subscribe for more if you already haven't. And we'll check out there. Peace and love as always.